discover the true meaning of friendship, and also understand the importance of considering for others. Real friends, best friends, fake friends. Discover a true friend, a true friend. Basople chomi yakho, yabole chomi yakho, ya leyilapha ecankwakho, yiyo le inenhliziyo egcwele ubumdaka ngaphakathi kuyifuna utshabalala ungaphumeleli. Basople chomi yakho, yabole chomi yakho, ya leyilapha ecankwakho, yiyo le inenhliziyo egcwele ubumdaka ngaphakathi kuyifuna utshabalala ungaphumeleli. Yeah, this is my project, this project is soon to be released, next month, Kenyanga October. Neighborhood Watch, it's got only 5 songs in it. If you want to have this copy, a copy of this Neighborhood Watch, access us, on social media platforms, Umambu Wengela, Umazo Wengela Yambayo, sponsored with Yonaso on Facebook, @Umambele on Twitter, Umambu Wengela on Instagram, Umambu Wengela @gmail.com. Get me at Makukanya Room every day. Access information.